na. Look, they're gonna pull over me. That guy. Yes. God, bro. Yes. I'll pull that up.
Dude, and I just like what, man? Why is it? Dude, it scared the shit out of me because I just got into one last time.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, they got him. They got him.
A lot of no's. Buying a new house, car, applying for rewards cards.
That's my contribution.
Kickoff can turn them into yeses. If your credit is under 600, you could jump like 28 points in your first month. Kickoff is the best way to build credit fast. No credit checks, no
It's on my ass.
and no interest. It's simple. Kickoff optimizes credit bureaus see good behavior. And
Stupid
your credit
ass
grows
idiot.
fast. Start building credit now.
Doofus.
Like, well, now you have to send that to me. I wanna.
I have sent it to you, I'm pretty sure.
No, you didn't.
I'm very sure I did. This person just made an illegal left turn in front of a cop. That's crazy. Yeah, he's literally getting pulled over right now.
Loser.
Yeah, literally right in front of me. Bro, I'm posting that on Reddit. That's crazy.
Polisu, keluar aku.
Mana nih?
Ya soy, ya.
Oh.
Esto para eso ni casar con mire.
Yeah.
Yeah. Denzel Washington.
He said that I think after Black Panther he's gonna retire.
What?
Good for you. Good for you.
What happened?
Asshole.
What happened there?
school zone, people. 30 miles per hour. Get him. Get him. Get him, convenient cop. Got him. Got him. Got him. What? Yep, told you he was going to get pulled over. Yep, got you. You got to slow down in the school zone. Thank you. Thank you, cop. I love it.
시 125%로 올린다고 했습니다. 이유는 중국이 세계 시장에 보인 중국이 미국과 다른 나라를 갈취하던 날들은 더 이상 지속 가능하지 않다고도 주장했습니다. 조금 전 트럼프
The Bengal famine of 1943. Winston Churchill. Back in 1943, Bengal, across parts of India and Bangladesh, was under the rule of Great Britain.
He might be an icon in Britain, but in India, he is of mass.
Still there. Now he's coming back out on the road.
Wow, what's that guy doing?
Oh no! Oh no, he's gonna get him! Get him! Get him! Get him! Get him! Get him!
Who's he getting?
I don't know. There he goes! There he goes!
Oh, wait.
US 75 South ramp.
For sake of muscle maintenance and or hypertrophy. So if you're somebody who's mainly concerned with muscle, and that's also perfectly fine, but this just so happens to be an episode about intermittent fasting and time restricting. And there's a transition period in order for that to happen. You should allow yourself
Oh, yes, perfect.
We heard you like a mile and a half away, cop.
Yeah, he's gonna follow us.
Oh! 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 Look at that!
What?
Instant karma.
I figured.
Troop Bridges State Patrol conversations audio, video recorded. Just interesting maneuvers.
I'm sorry.
Is there a reason for that?
I'm sorry.
That's just how we roll.
Small like an old person. Go left again.
Yeah, and now there's the cops. I hope he gets pulled.
Ah, yes, yay! Woo! Slow down, let him go. Let him go.
Going. Shitty driver. Good job, cop. Woo!
Jesus Christ.
Speed up right up on that car. This guy over. Don't they have radars in the back there? Yeah, they do, yeah. What is it? Holy... Police report ahead!
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.